Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Chef IQ mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a useful tool for managing recipes and kitchen tasks. The Chef IQ app is available on iOS and Android and serves as a smart kitchen assistant. It offers users access to a large collection of professionally tested recipes, step-by-step cooking instructions, and the ability to create personalized recipe collections. The app includes features such as voice-guided cooking, meal planning, shopping lists, and integration with smart kitchen devices like Wi-Fi-enabled ovens. One of the app's strengths is its user-friendly interface that makes navigating recipes and cooking steps simple. The voice-guided cooking helps users stay hands-free and focused. The meal planner and shopping list features streamlined preparation, making it easier to organize weekly meals. Integration with smart kitchen devices provides enhanced control for those with compatible appliances. However, some users report that the app can be slow to load large recipe collections and occasionally experiences glitches during voice commands. Some also mention that smart device integration is limited to a few brands and models, restricting full functionality. Additionally, the app requires an internet connection for many features, which can be inconvenient. Overall, Chef IQ is a helpful tool for home cooks who want organized recipes and smart kitchen integration, though performance issues and limited device compatibility may impact the experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, please refer to the email in the description.